Today in grammar, we are going to discuss proper nouns. In a quick review, a noun names people, places, animals, and things. But some nouns name special people, animals, places, or things. Nouns that name special people, animals, places, or things are called proper nouns. Proper nouns begin with capital letters. Let's look at an example sentence. This says, I see Robert Smith and his dog Bobo in the garden. I see Robert Smith and his dog Bobo in the garden. To identify or figure out a proper noun, I ask the thinking question. Which words name a special person, animal, place, or thing? I see Robert Smith and his dog Bobo in the garden. Robert Smith names a special person. And we write the first letter of his first name with a capital letter, R for Robert. We also write the first letter of his last name with a capital letter, capital S, Smith, just like you do with your first and last name. You capitalize the first letter of your name, of your first name, and your last name. That's because it's a proper noun. But there is one more in this sentence. The noun Bobo names a special animal. This name also begins with a capital letter, so we would also capitalize Bobo, the capital B. So if you have a pet at home, you would capitalize their name when you write it because that is a proper noun. So I have my cat at home and her name is Olive. And so I would spell her name with a capital O, O-L-I-V-E, Olive. Let's look at another sentence. I ate a Fruity Pop at the San Diego Zoo. I ate a Fruity Pop at the San Diego Zoo. Alright, so to identify or figure out the proper noun, I'm going to ask my thinking question. Which words name a special person, animal, place, or thing? We're looking for words that name a special person, animal, place, or thing. Well, right away, I am looking at the special place. These words name a special place, and that is the San Diego Zoo. So the San Diego Zoo is the proper noun. So you would capitalize all three, the S in San, the D in Diego, and Z in Zoo. The San Diego Zoo. That is the proper noun. It names a special place. It's not just any zoo, it's the San Diego Zoo. And there is one more proper noun in this sentence. And it names a special thing. And that is a Fruity Pop. That's just a special name of a certain type of popsicle. It's a special name of a certain type of popsicle. So you would capitalize the F in fruity and the P in pop. Because that names a special type of popsicle, a special thing. I ate a Fruity Pop at the San Diego Zoo. All right, we're going to fill out these 5 sentences together. And you will see something similar to this, very close to this, in your seesaw activity, where you will be writing the proper noun correctly when looking at a sentence. And using that thinking question, which words name a special person, animal, place, or thing? So we're going to write down doing these 5 sentences. And I always like that up here in this box, it always does a nice review and reminder of that skill. Usually gives an example as well. And it's usually where I'm just drew the 3 little dots. You can see it's in bold print. You can see it's in bold print. That means it's pretty special and important. So just reminding you that some nouns name special people, animals, places, or things, and these special nouns are proper nouns, and proper nouns begin with capital letters. So, number 1, he gives a flower to Becky Davis. He gives a flower to Becky Davis. Which words name a special person, animal, place, or thing? Oh, Becky Davis. That's somebody's first and last name, Becky Davis. That is somebody's first and last name, Becky Davis. So, capitalize the B in Becky and the D in Davis. Becky Davis. How about number 2? That butterfly is named Flippy. Which word names a special person, animal, place, or thing? That butterfly, that's an animal, is named Flippy. Oh, it's given the name. Flippy. So we need to capitalize our name of Flippy. Capital F, L, I, P, P, Y. Flippy. Number 3. She sees her friends at Madison Elementary School. Which word names a special person, animal, place, or thing? She sees her friends at. Oh, at. That's a place. At Madison Elementary School. So we're going to capitalize Madison Elementary School. Capital M, A, D, I, S, O, N. And then capital E. And then capital S, Elementary School. It was a proper noun. Number 4. I know he likes Zippy Lemon Suckers. Zippy Lemon Suckers is naming a special thing. It's the special name of the suckers. It's talking about suckers, but giving them a special name. It's like the kind that you might buy at a store. Zippy Lemon Suckers. You're looking for the special kind. Zippy Lemon Suckers. Capital Z. And we spell zippy. Capital L in lemon. And then capital S in suckers. And then our last one. He and Sally like to pick fruit. He and Sally like to pick fruit. And it's naming a special person. And that's Sally. Sally needs to be capitalized. The S in Sally needs to be capitalized. So, Today, you are going to do something almost just like this in Seesaw, where you are going to be writing the proper nouns correctly, looking at a sentence and figuring out which word is the proper noun and then writing it correctly.